Cause after tonight, the whole of them girl, our girl them, you see.
Man. Yes, my viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa from here, the Vice, you know how it is. Look a preview that you just get this a little while from Quada, scene called New Gal Alert. And me I tell us that this dep and flame. And you know say Quada comes straight under the Unruly gang, straight from Popcaan. But here ya.
Man, now if you say nothing to your girl, for she get tech. Now if you say nothing to she get wet. One touch and she get breathless.
Viewer, subscriber, a man say yo him don't have to say nothing for your girl for get take away. A man say if him touch your girl coming like a Duns River, she wet up like a sea, and worse if him touch it, she get breathless. Quada done, and that me and try tell her the man start off with flame. But viewer, subscriber, before we go down in it, we are gonna run the intro. So walk with me. Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, or you can catch us on the gram at Djstullaa. Say nothing more, your boy one.
In a lace we got necklace. Come by your breast, don't get vexed no.
Yo, Quada, I make you go so hard, dog. A man say, yo, when him catch it, him a back it up. Him a pull it up, him a lift it up, him a ram it up, and when him done with it, him a get the white pearl. Viewer, subscriber, if you don't know where the white pearl, or when him come on the breast and it rub round the neck, dog, ya go so hard.
New Gal Alert, pussy wet up in the drawers when it done a work. Me yard your fear go like your mother church. Now cut until she fuck Quada first.
Viewer, subscriber, more no pre-way Quada say. Quada say, yo, panty have to wet up when him a work. But hear me now, forget that. A man say, yo, you have to come on me yard like you go to your mother church. A man say, yo, when a girl company ends, a girl now left until Quada work. So a man a make you know say, yo, if your girl come there so, if your girl pass through, if him touch your girl, anything where you do, you better cry, dog. Because when your girl come home, she definitely a go to bed. Asleep in my sleep, cause Quada just kill it.
Girl them love we sharp like cutlass. Left your girl careless, bad man fuck that. Girl them love we cause we not take tough shot.
Viewer, subscriber, hear me now. Big old man thing. Hear what Quada say. Quada say, yo, if you lay your girl careless. So the man a make you know say, yo, if you're there in a dance, if you're there in a birthday party, if you're there even at a wedding, or even in a cook shop, if you lay your girl careless, we fuck that. And on top of that, the man a say, yo, not even that, forget that. A man say, yo, if certain boy come with certain kind of thing, and we done that, cause bad band or take chat, for real. And me have to say, dog, me love that. Heavy thing, you see me?
Stop jinxing peanut day in my back. Yeah, check his Snapchat. Yeah, me full of girls, some white, some black.
Viewer, subscriber, a man say when you're girl is, certain things you have to know. And number one, you have to look after your body. You have to make sure say your body ready. So a man a make you know say, yo, peanut, Irish mash, jinxing, all of them things that they in the back. Him don't care. I could a black girl, I could a white girl, I could a Chinese girl, I could a Asian girl, I could a even a mixed race kind of girl, the Latino girl. Don't care what kind of girl the man say, yo, when him a walk, him want to know say, yo, him a beat that non-stop. So them things that the man a tell you.
Well, pedicure, foot back, now no crack. Swam full of girl and we find them on them up. New Gal Alert, Kush God loves you and every girl a Turk.
You a subscriber. Now a man a tell you what kind of girl them him deal with. A man say, yo, him do in a the swamp looking girl them. Him do in a the mud looking girl them. Him do in a the girl them where you know say the foot a crack up. A man say, yo, I pedicure girl them. He girl them where you know say, yo, breast the up in a ear. He want them where you know say, yo, body look right. He want them where you know say, yo, round a back a pop off. You see me? And you know say, yo, thigh look right, leg look thick, all of them things there, are them things that the man a tell you. You see? So a man a tell you say, yo, all of the little careless girl them in that. But the man a say, yo, the sweetest thing or when you have all them big body gal at work, and at them time the things mash up. Yo, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say X amount of shout out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. When I say nothing more, it's your boy Djstullaa 1.